Now rule number 3, that ray passing through center of curvature will reflect back along same path. Then we will draw this mirror, and in the same way this is principal axis, focus, center of curvature. Okay, the ray of light which passes through center of curvature, suppose it is coming along this direction and it will strike at this place, then it will reflect back because it is coming along the normal, and as we discussed that the ray of light which comes along the normal, it will retrace its path. So this rule is also followed in this, and in the same way we will draw this concave mirror, and its center of curvature is towards this side. So this is focus and this is center of curvature, and the ray of light which is coming along this center of curvature, it will retrace its path. Rule number 4, the ray incident obliquely to the principal axis at P will reflect back obliquely at the same angle. This is concave mirror, and obliquely means at an angle. This is F, this is C. You have to draw the diagrams in the same way. You have to do practice twice of these diagrams. Suppose this is a ray of light which is coming from an object. It is falling at an angle on this surface. So this is acting like a normal. Principal axis is acting like a normal. So this is angle I. It will reflect back at the same angle, that is angle R. It is falling obliquely. In the same way we can show in case of convex mirror, and this is the principal axis. It is falling at an angle. This is incident ray, angle I, and this is reflected ray, that is angle R. It reflected back at the same angle. So we will follow these 4 rules for drawing the all the images placed at various distances from concave and convex mirrors.